If you want to change your privacy settings on X, formerly known as Twitter, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to make your account private, control who can tag you, manage your direct messages, or stop people from finding your profile through your email or phone number, I'll show you exactly where to go. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the platform, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on More. That's the three-dot option at the bottom of the menu. When the pop-up menu appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account and privacy controls in one place. From there, in the middle settings column, select Privacy and Safety. Now you're in the main privacy area, and this is where you can customize how your account behaves. Let's start with Audience, Media, and Tagging. Click into that section and you'll see the most important privacy options for your profile and posts. If you want to make your account private, check the box for Protect Your Posts. Once this is turned on, only approved followers will be able to see your post. This is one of the most important settings if you want more control over who sees your content. Next, look at photo tagging. Here you can decide who is allowed to tag you in images. If you want less exposure or fewer unwanted mentions in photos, this is a good setting to review carefully. After that, go to the Your Post section. Here you'll find the option to mark media you post as having material that may be sensitive. If you share content that could be considered adult, graphic, or otherwise sensitive, turning this on can help keep your account aligned with X's content controls. Now move to direct messages. This setting lets you choose who can send you private messages. You can usually choose from options like no one, only people you follow, or everyone, depending on how open or private you want your inbox to be. If you want fewer unwanted messages, restricting DMs is a smart move. Next, open Discoverability and Contacts. This section helps control whether other people can find your account using your contact information. If you want to be more private, uncheck Let people who have your email address find you, and also uncheck Let people who have your phone number find you. Turning these off helps prevent acquaintances, contacts, or random people from locating your profile through your personal details. Take a moment to review all of your choices so everything matches the level of privacy you want. The great part is that X saves your preferences instantly, so you do not need to manually press a save button. As soon as you toggle a setting on or off, the change is applied right away. When you're done, you can simply click away or return to your home feed, knowing your privacy settings are updated. If you want even more control, it's a good idea to revisit these settings from time to time, especially after X updates its interface or adds new privacy features. And that's it. Now you know how to change your privacy settings on X.com or Twitter quickly and confidently. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.